Guys, good morning. I'm about to head out for a little bit, so stay tuned and welcome to day 2. It's beautiful out here. Can you see it? The sun is sunning. Smurfs. Ooh, that one ring pop. Got Eggo socks. Yellowstone Trail Station. Look, Jumbo Honey Bun. Eggo. Doritos. They even got ET. Florida is known as the Sunshine State, and it's known that for this reason. 230 to 250 days are sunny. I bet you all didn't know that. Thank you for tuning in to day 2 of Vlogtober. Shout out to my amazing channel members, Boss Life Online, Leticia's Third Eye Point of View, I Am Tracy Lee, Miss Nexie. Join channel membership to be featured and tune in tomorrow to day 3 of Vlogtober.